Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone guys Bluetooth device name setting. So in this video friends we will talk about guys how can we change guys Bluetooth device name in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to change your Bluetooth device name and guys you want to rename your Bluetooth device name. So friends, how can you rename and guys how can you change? In this video friends I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now time to start video. Can first of all open your phone setting to change your Bluetooth device name. So friends, you can see this type of setting as click on guys your more connection setting. Then guys you can see guys your Bluetooth. So guys tap here and guys first of all guys you will have to turn on guys your Bluetooth. Then guys you can change your device name. So we will turn on our Bluetooth and guys tap on device name and guys we will cut this device name. So we will change into guys Tecno phone example for guys, and we will click on rename option and guys come back. So friends, now you can check guys your device name has changed into Bluetooth device name and changed into Tecno phone. So like that guys you can rename your device name in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.